We start in Turkey, where a slain protester is becoming the global face of the country's demonstrations. The name Ali Ismail Korkmaz began trending worldwide after his death Wednesday morning. He was beaten by an unidentified group while attempting to escape police during the height of Turkey's anti-government demonstrations. He later spent 38 days in a coma. Images of Ali were widely shared, along with tweets written in his voice. Yilmaz writes, "My name is Ali, 19 years old, beaten to death. Who killed me?" Large crowds spilled onto the streets for his funeral, while others marked his death with marches against alleged police brutality. Our next leads out of California, where nearly 30,000 prisoners are staging what could be the largest hunger strike in the U.S. state's history. California's inmates spend years or even decades in solitary confinement. Amnesty International says no other U.S. state is believed to hold so many prisoners for so long in this way. Well, strikers and their families are demanding an end to indefinite solitary confinement. Take a look.
The last time I was able to touch my brother was in 1982.
The state says keeping them in isolation breaks up prison gangs, but prisoners say it amounts to torture. One prisoner at the Pelican Bay State Prison wrote, "Before this, I only had a vague idea what mental torture might be like. Now I know it's 10 times worse than I imagined." Well, from Pelican Bay to Palestine, social media has been an engine of solidarity for hunger strikers around the world. Lubna tweets, "From Palestine to California, prisoners are fighting with the little they have for the basics of dignity. Support them." Well, there's much more on the hunger strike on our website, so check it out at stream.aljazeera.com. Femi?